Dreaming of practicing dentistry in Canada or the USA? Are you applying to universities here? Your journey begins with the TOEFL exam, but are we ready? Many international dentists struggle with the TOEFL due to lack of personalized coaching, but at the Tooth Factory, we have a solution just for you. Introducing the 5-day TOEFL course by the Tooth Factory, which is a targeted TOEFL training for you to enroll now. All you have to do is go to www.thetoothfactory.ca, click on our 5-day course and enroll. It is designed for dentists just like yourself to achieve a higher TOEFL score and apply to various dental universities across North America. We also have individual skill tested and course material to help you prepare for individual skills training on our website. All you have to do is go to the website and contact us for more details. What do we provide in our 5-day TOEFL course, you may ask? Well, the features are as follows. Live Zoom lectures. They are not going to be pre-recorded. They are a one-on-one coaching, personalized attention, and no batches. There will be strategies discussed, tips and tricks discussed, as well as we have free take-home practice questions with answers. So what do you ask about the pricing, you may say? The pricing per course is $499. It is a 5-day course, whereas individual skills are $150. So don't wait up. Please register. The links are in the description box below. We'll see you on the other side. Please contact us for more details and we'd be glad to help you.